To work with resources, we first need to go under your company and select resource planning. And all the categories of the resources we've previously added will appear here. We can also enter a category, so let's go into equipment and we'll see all the subcategories belonging to that specific category. And if we go in here, we'll see all the camera information along with all their details. We can always enter one of the camera's profiles and all the details about this specific camera will appear right here, along with all images, bookings, and all bundles, links, and comments. If we want to create another camera resource, we just need to go here and enter in all the details. Now, resource planning isn't limited to just objects. You may also want to work with freelancers, crew resources, or human resources. And we can have them here as well and create a subcategory for them. You can already see some of them listed here in a tile view, but we can also switch to the list view, and really it's whatever we prefer. Now, if you want to add another personnel resource, we just need to go here and select whether they are an external contact, choose not to link them to anything, or maybe they're already an existing user. And let's go ahead and select this user. We can also add any files and add tags if we want to be able to search for them more easily afterwards. For example, they may be an editor, or we can create a new tag called graphic designers. And now their profile will appear here. That was how to create a resource. Stay tuned for more videos on Yamdu features.